Hi, my name's John Erickson. I'm reading for the role of Daniel. Hey kids, I hope you're hungry. This is the restaurant I wanted you to try out. It's kind of new, but not really. You know, it's one of those franchise type places. I know for a fact that I got you kids off the hook for dinner. This food will be way better than your mom's cooking.
Welcome to Jolly Joys. My name is Emma. I'll be your server for this evening. Let's start off with drinks. What would you like to make you jolly and full of joy?
I'll take a beer. Roman, what do you want? Come on, man. Emma doesn't have all night for you.
Root beer, please.
Kid beer for my son.
Kid soda for me, too.
She'll take a milk. What does Anna drink?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know what she likes to drink?
She's your sister. You should know what she likes to drink. Just another kid beer, please.
I'll be back with your drinks.
Wait, before you go and disappear forever, I'd like to order food right now, too.
Okay, if that's what you want.
Yes, that would make me jolly and full of joy. I'll take your steak special.
How would you like your steak?
Slap the cow, then put it on a plate and bring it to the table. You know what? Add another steak for my son. It'll be good for him. It'll give him some chest hair and make him more of a man. He's too much of a mama's boy.
Okay, 2 steaks rare. What else would you like to order?
From the kids' menu, spaghetti plate, and I guess I have to order for my other daughter, who must have fallen into the toilet since she's been gone to the bathroom this long. Just add another spaghetti plate from the regular menu.
Okay, got it. I will be back with the drinks and then your food orders.
Well, there she is, finally gracing us with her presence. I thought you fell into the toilet with how long you've been gone.
Well, if you didn't pour water on me, we could have had more father-daughter time together.
Well, if you weren't being such a hothead, I wouldn't have had to cool you down with water.
Oh, so you admit it now, that it was on purpose. You poured water on me.
You want me to do it again to calm you down? Can I just have a peaceful dinner without you all complaining? You sound like Mom.
Can you both please just cool it? And one of you hand me the bread? Hey, I didn't order this. I can take it back and get you something else.
No, leave it. It's fine. Bring me the check and boxes when you return. You snooze, you lose.
Anything else I can bring you?
No here.
I hope you had a jolly good time with us and return real soon.
The food made me jolly and the beer full of joy. I'll be back. Roman, what are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be at school?
I know what you did, Dad. How could you mess with Mom like that?
I don't have time for you or your mom's issues. I have an important meeting to go to.
I'm tired of you always messing with our family.
Get out of my way, Roman.
No! You're going to sit here and listen to me, Dad. You always get away with everything, lies and all.
What the hell are you doing? Oh, you're crazy. Just like your mom. You better clean this up. Oh, oh.
Dad, how could you do this to me?
Oh, that's it. I never want to see you again. I don't care what the court system says or your mom. I'm so done with you. Screw you guys. My son is a liar. He's faking it. All of it.